Subscriptions. As a company, you're allowed to claim the cost of subscriptions that are directly relevant to your business. Now, there's probably going to be a number of different things to look at here. You've probably got your periodicals, the books, the reference materials, and then you've probably then got the digital assets that you have over here as well. So, what's appropriate? Again, if you look at any different sector, think about the periodicals that you subscribe to. For example, in my world, I might look at The Economist, the FT, or some other sort of geeky accounting periodicals. They're all fine, because I need to understand what I'm talking about, otherwise I can't make any sense to you, which makes no point. For your sector, think about what it is that you're going to buy. There's no point me having a periodical based on truck driving or shoe manufacturing, because unless I'm trying to learn something about a sector that I want to service. So it has to be relevant. That's for periodicals and day-to-day things that you may buy that are hard copy or digital copy. In addition, other subscriptions, it goes without saying, we're all incurring these costs. They're more of a software as a service, things like Microsoft 365, Adobe, e-sign, all of those things. They're typical other subscriptions that you need to keep your business running. Again, just be mindful, things like Netflix, Sky Digital or Disney Plus, not something you want to have as a subscription through your company. If you do have subscriptions that are part and part, then think about how they're billed to you. So if you do have a Sky package that has your broadband, your phone and your Sky, okay, you could argue, well, my broadband and my phone, I need those for the business, but clearly the Sky proportion I can't have. Dangerous to put the whole cost through, because if HMRC come and challenge it, they could say, well, the whole thing's not allowable, because it's all too embedded in a TV package. If that's the case, I wouldn't recommend putting that cost through. You may be better off just saying, I will apportion a small amount of the money that I'm paying on these things in order to cover the costs of working at home. But that subscription's fully tax deductible. You get corporation tax relief at the end of all of these costs, and they're a good way to increase your knowledge and reduce your tax. That's subscriptions.